Hi everyone. So we are going to make taquitos with my home canned chili verde. So first I'm going to fry these up. You don't want to under fry them and you don't want to over fry them. When they're under fried, they'll be like what just happened when I flipped that over. They'll tear. And then of course if they're over fried, paper towels, they'll be too crunchy to roll. I forgot to get paper towels for my, so you want them just in between. We're making them pliable. And then I'm going to take chili verde, mix it with some cheese. Do you see this? This giant green onion I just picked out of my yard. It's huge. It's huge. The tortillas were on the roots. So I have that all washed and I'll use some of that. So that's all we're doing now. So I will go ahead and finish off these tortillas and then I'll come back and show you the filling. And then I think I'll make some fresh pico de gallo to go with it. Okay, so now we are ready to, what are we doing? Make the filling. Oh, that smells so good. So I'm gonna add trying not to add too much of the juice because we don't want all that moisture. And you can just use your fork, mush that around, and you can completely drain that if you want. I'm going to add some of that green onion. Freshen it all back up again. And I thought I'd do some with flour tortillas as well, so you could see, have options with this. You can fill them with anything you want. You can cut them into smaller finger food sizes and take them to football games or serve them as football food. They're versatile. And like the chili pie tonight, it is our dinner, but if you can hear the TV, there is football going on. Okay, so I have some green chilies and one diced up jalapeno. I'll mix that in. You can do these with chicken, beef, ground anything, seasoned up, spiced up, any way you want. You can do them with a combination of just cheeses. You can do cream cheese and jalapenos, cream cheese and black olives. I'm throwing it everywhere. So now I'm going to add the cheese. My back's killing me. Add the cheese, and then we're just going to simply roll them up and fry them up. And I'll show you what I do to them to serve them for dinner. And I'll do the pico de gallo in a separate video, so this one's not too terribly long. Okay, I think that's about good enough, and you can add as much cheese as you like. You can add any cheese that you like. You could add cream cheese to this, whatever you want. Do something with this crab looking green onion. Okay, so So this is the flour tortilla, and I hope you've seen anything I've done. I hope you do. And you want to put across the center of the tortilla. And then we're going to roll it and pull it. And then roll, and then we're going straight to the fryer, and I think this is going to be really hot. And fry that up. If you want to hold them with toothpicks, get them all rolled up and use toothpicks and then fry them all at once, you can do that. Get a little assembly line thing going on. I had this on while I was prepping this stuff, so it stayed hot from frying the corn tortillas. Excuse me. Should have drank some water. And that's it. You just fry them up until they're golden brown. Hot all the way through. And you can keep these hot in the oven. Or you can put them, for a tailgate party, you can put them in an aluminum pan and keep them on that higher shelf on the grill to stay warm. Cover them with foil. And for those, you could cut these into like thirds, these flour ones, and fry them up and do the taquitos, the corn, do them in half. There we go, there's one. And I did turn that down. Back around. And we will do a corn tortilla. You don't need as much in the corn tortillas. A tablespoon maybe. Roll that up. And I'm going to put it in the frying pan. And those stay closed better because the flour tortillas have a tendency to puff up, but they're really good, and that gives you a few options. So I am going to do that, and I will be back when they're done. So I thought I would show you how I'm going to serve these. There's a bowl of, what do you call it? Salsa. And then I'm going to take these taquitos, unroll it a bit. I'm going to add some lettuce, some cheese, and some pico de gallo. And then he has this salsa there if he wants it. And this just kind of turns it more of a meal. A place in California that does similar. So just load them up like a taco. And there we have our taquito plate. see those. So yeah, give those a try. Try them for your next football party. If you have any questions, post them down below. A thumbs up always helps me out. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you do. And I will see you in the next video. Good night.